10 jobs AI will replace by 2030. Number 1. Data entry clerks. AI automates 90% of data entry already. Number 2. Telemarketers. AI phone agents handle millions of calls daily. Number 3. Bookkeepers. Automated accounting with AI handles everything. Number 4. Proofreaders. AI grammar tools outperform humans for basic editing. Number 5. Factory workers. Robotic automation replaces repetitive jobs. Number 6. Cashiers. Self-checkout is eliminating these positions. Number 7. Travel agents. AI creates personalized trips in seconds. Number 8. Translators. Real-time AI translation makes basic translation obsolete. Number 9. Paralegals. AI reviews documents 100 times faster. Number 10. Taxi drivers. Self-driving taxis are expanding worldwide. Subscribe and share to stay informed.